so we're going to do a core balance challenge. This is suitable for pregnancy if you're pregnant, but obviously all normal provisions apply. So if you've got pelvic girdle pain, you might want to speak to someone before doing it. And if you feel a little bit dizzy or you feel it doesn't feel right, stop immediately, don't push yourself. If you're not pregnant, this is still a really good challenge for you, so don't think that this video isn't for you. It's not just for pregnancy, it's for everyone. So come to a cross-legged, let the shoulders relax down, lengthen up through your back, and let's just take a couple of moments to ground ourselves here. So close the eyes, tune the attention inwards, and just watch the breath. In through the nose, out through the nose. See if you can make your out breath twice as long as your in breath. Take a big deep breath in as you sweep the hands up over the head. Take a look up towards the ceiling, and as you breathe out, just go over to the right. As you breathe in, reach the arms up, and as you breathe out, over to the left. Breathe in, reach the arms up, out, over to the right. Breathe in, reach the arms up, breathe out, over to the left. Reach the arms back to the centre, interlace the fingers behind the back, lift up through the chest, maybe stay there, try and get as much space in the neck as you can, or just tilt the chin up towards the ceiling without letting the head flop back, so you get a lovely stretch in the back of the neck as well. Come all the way back round, just take the hands on the knees and round in the back the other way. Come back to the centre, and you're going to come to hands and knees. Let's have a little balance. You're going to reach your leg back. Stay here if this feels good. You might also want to extend the opposite arm away. Really big challenge. Bring the hand and leg down. Let's do the same on the other side. Extend the other leg. Maybe reach the other arm away as well. Slowly come all the way back down. You're going to bring your knees wide, big toes together. Send your bum back towards your heels. Maybe bring your elbows to the floor. And just let the head relax there. Come all the way back up, let's do that again. Extend the leg back. Reach the arm forward. You're only extending the arm forward if that feels good. And bring the hand back down. Let's do the same on the other side. Extend the other leg back. Reach the arm forward. Come all the way back. Widen your knees. Send your bum back towards your heels. If your bump's big, you might need to put your elbows to the floor. That's fine. Don't forget to take some big breaths. I know that I always say that, but it's because it's so important and so easy to forget. And then you're going to walk back onto your heels. So if you need to sit on a block at this point, that's absolutely fine. You're going to roll the shoulders back. You're going to bring your elbows up, so you're either holding onto your shoulders or you're going to interlace the hands all the way around, so we're coming to eagle arms. Look straight forward. Just take some big breaths right into the back of the body. Release the arms down. And swap in the other direction. So you might want to have the hands on the shoulders, or you might want to come round. It's up to you. Bring the hands back down. And we're going to do our earth salutations. So first of all, you're going to breathe out, come into a cat stretch. Breathe in, come to a cow stretch. Breathe out, come to a flat back. Breathe in, sweep the hands up over the head. Breathe out, bring the hands all the way back down. Breathe in, reach the leg forward. Breathe out as you bring the chest forward. Breathe in as you reach the hands back. Breathe out as you bring the hands down. Breathe in as you step the leg back. Breathe out as you come back to child's pose. 3 breaths here. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, cat stretch. Breathe in, step your leg through. Breathe out, here. Breathe in, reach the hands up. Breathe out, bring the hands back down. Breathe in, step the legs back. Breathe out, here. Breathe in, reach the hands up over the head. Breathe out, bring the hands all the way back down. Breathe in as you look forward. Breathe out, cat stretch. Breathe in, flat back. Breathe out, cat stretch. Breathe in, flat back. Breathe out, cat stretch. Breathe in, sweep the hands up over the head, look up towards the thought. Breathe out, bring the hands all the way back down. Breathe in, step your left leg through. Breathe out, here. Breathe in, reach the hands up. Breathe out, sweep the hands back. Breathe in, step the leg back. Breathe out, child's pose. Breathe in, come back to hands and knees. Breathe out, cow pose. Breathe in, step the leg through. Breathe out, here. Breathe in, reach the arms up. Breathe out, reach the leg back. Breathe in, step the leg back. Breathe out, cat stretch. Breathe in, sweep the arms up, and breathe out. Bring the hands all the way back down, and just come all the way back to child's pose one more time. And this time just bring your knees wider, come to your elbows, and kind of arch your bum back slightly so you're getting it right into the creases of the hips there. Two more breaths here. And then come all the way back up. So we're going to do pigeon, so you're going to bring your right leg all the way through. Make sure that your bum is where you're feeling it, not in your knee. And I'll just show you this from the front. So it's not that your leg's like this, you want to turn it from the hip. So you're really feeling it in the bum. Hips squared to the front. And again, it's just going to depend on your bump You might want to stay up, or you might want to come down to your hands like this, or you might come all the way down and let the back of the head release. Softening into this. Push yourself all the way back and swap sides. So again, just check, both hips might be slightly different. You might find that on one side it's a little bit easier than the other. So you might want to go a bit further on one side than the other. That's perfectly normal. And you might want to just let the back of the head release as well. Sweep that leg all the way through, so you're back to hands and knees. And you're going to take your right hand, place it on the right knee, take your left hand behind, keep the shoulders down, and just follow that with the head. Come back to the centre. Just do the same on the other side. Let the shoulders relax. And come back to the centre. Just close the eyes here. Think about all the little muscles around the jaw, the head, back of the tongue. Just feel the air against your face. As you breathe in, you're going to say to yourself, as I breathe in, I come back to the moment. As you breathe out, you're going to say to yourself, and as I breathe out, I relax. As I breathe in, I come back to the moment. And as I breathe out, I relax. Last one. As I breathe in, I come back to this moment. And as I breathe out, I relax. And just take the biggest breath you've had all day. Give yourself a good shake. Ooh. So thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you've got any questions or if you have any requests, you know, this community is for you. If you have stuff that you want, I would hate you to be sitting there thinking, oh, I wish I had that, when I can so easily just make it for you. So do get in touch if you want a particular thing. Thank you. Namaste.